Effortlessly keep your lawn neat. The best robot lawn mowers mow automatically, navigate obstacles, and save you time while keeping your garden pristine. Starting at number 1. ECOVACS GOAT E3000 LiDAR. The ECOVACS GOAT E3000 LiDAR is a smart robot lawn mower designed for large gardens, up to about 3/4 acre. It uses advanced dual LiDAR navigation with 360-degree scanning and AI vision to map your lawn precisely and avoid obstacles without boundary wires. The mower has a 13 cutting width, fast 45-minute charging, and delivers efficient, edge-to-edge cutting while you relax. It also offers app control, customizable mowing zones, and intelligent path planning for a tidy, hands-off lawn care experience. Number 2. Eufy E18 Robot Lawn Mower. The Eufy E18 Robot Lawn Mower is a smart, wire-free robotic mower that automatically maps your lawn and plans efficient mowing paths with advanced vision-based navigation and 3D obstacle avoidance technology. It's designed to handle lawns up to about 0.3 acres, lets you manage multiple zones and schedules through the app, and adjusts the cutting height from 1 to 3 inches. The mower works quietly, manages slopes up to 18 degrees, and even includes GPS-based anti-theft features. Number 3. Mammotion LUBA Mini AWD800. The Mammotion LUBA Mini AWD800 is a powerful all-wheel drive robot lawn mower built for lawns up to about 0.2 acre with an 80% slope climbing ability for raw force steep terrain. It uses UltraSense AI Vision plus RTK automapping to automatically map and navigate your yard without boundary wires, avoid obstacles, and manage up to multiple mowing zones from the app. The mower has a 7.9 cutting width and adjustable cutting height from 0.8 to 2.6 for neat, hands-off lawn care. Number 4. Segway Navimow i105N Robot. The Segway Navimow i105N is a smart, wire-free robot lawn mower designed for lawns up to about 1/8 acre that uses advanced RTK plus vision navigation for precise positioning and AI-assisted mapping without boundary wires. It supports virtual boundaries, multi-zone management, and app control, letting you set customized mowing areas and schedules. The mower also features AI obstacle avoidance, systematic mowing patterns, and operates quietly, 58 dB/a, while handling slopes and keeping your yard neat with minimal effort. Number 5. Worx Landroid L20V Robotic Lawn. The Worx Landroid L20V 5.0 robotic lawn mower, WR155, is an automated mower built for medium-large lawns up to about 1/2 acre, almost equals 21,780 sq-feet. It uses a 20 version 5.0 PowerShare battery that's compatible with other Worx tools, and smart AIA navigation helps it move through narrow paths and around obstacles. Controlled via the Landroid app with Bluetooth/Wi-Fi, it trims your grass on a schedule and returns to its charging base when finished. The mower's brushless motor and floating blade design improve efficiency on uneven terrain, while included boundary wire helps define the mowing area for hands-off lawn care.